Chinese ambassador to Israel found dead in home. Beijing, the Chinese ambassador to Israel Du Wei is reported to have been found dead in his home in Herzliya, Sunday morning. Local media reports from Israel suggested that police were at his home to conduct investigation. Du Wei, 58, was China's ambassador to Ukraine until a few weeks ago when he was reassigned to Israel, and took up his post in Tel Aviv only 3 months ago in February. His death came 2 days after the Chinese embassy in Israel condemned remarks by U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, made during his short visit to Israel on Wednesday, accusing Beijing's investments in Israel as threats and said China was hiding information about the COVID-19 outbreak. Pompeo flew to Israel in an attempt to pursue the Israelis not to trade or invest with China, and wanted the Israelis to limit their consumption of Chinese goods. In a statement, the embassy had described the relations between the countries as win-win in nature, and claimed the assertions of a Chinese buy-up of Israel was ridiculous, as China's investment in Israel only accounts for 0.4% of China's investment across the world and 3% of the foreign investment flown into Israel. Du Wei had also written an article for the Jerusalem Post a few days prior to his death about the resilience of the Chinese and Israeli people alike.